Going on, everybody? Back out here with the Equinox 800. Pretty cold day today. See, there's snow on the ground. I'm gonna hike out this cart path a little ways into the woods. Just a couple sites out here, date back to the mid 1700s. Going to see if I can find some relics. If I do, I'll get back to you guys. Solid 16, 17. Doesn't seem too deep. That's a little button. Clean this up a little bit. There's a plain flat button. It's got a funky target down here. That's a pewter spoon bowl. This thing is old. Pulled this out of the ground, but I have no idea what this is from or for. It's old though. I'll keep looking around this area. So I just dug up a inside piece of a shoe buckle. Yeah, it's got one spike, that's an old one. I hope the rest of it's around here. Awesome, we'll keep going. Just got this out of the ground. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like a decorative piece of something. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. It's made of brass. It's interesting though. Alright, this is my best sounding target so far today. 23, 24. I'm hoping this is a coin. somewhere down in here. Let's see what we got. Those numbers are like coin range, could be a shoe buckle range. Those are good numbers out here. What we got? Oh, we got a little buckle. Oh, that's a tiny guy. Wonder if it's got the insides. It's got half of it. Oh, it's got designs on it too. Nice. Yeah, it's an old one. Alright, we got our first decent relic of the day. Little Colonial Shoe Buckle. Actually, I'm not sure if this is a shoe buckle or not. That's really small. Could be. Got a solid 15, 16 right here. A button? Yeah, it's a button. Here's he made a pewter, cast pewter. Yeah, it's an old button. Awesome, let's keep going. See what else we can find out here. Just got a 10. I didn't film it because my battery on my camera is getting pretty low. But it's another button. I just broke the shank off cleaning it, but it is what it is. Keep going and see what else is out here. Wouldn't be a Colonial dig without a ox shoe. Just got what's left of a pair of Colonial scissors. It's not a bad find. See if I can clean these up when I get home. Got a 17, 18 right here. Oh, was that a button? I don't know what this is. I have no idea what that is. interesting. Alright, we'll keep looking. Alright, so here's everything I found over the last couple of days. Got this pewter spoon bowl. A couple things I'm not really sure what they are, like this thing. I have no idea what that is. This thing I'm not sure about either. Could be part of a drawer pull, but I'm not really sure. Piece of a spoon handle. Got 2 buttons inside of a shoe buckle. This one might date back to the 1600s with that one spike. I might have to look that up when I get home. And I got this little tiny buckle too. This one might date back to the 1600s as well. It's tiny. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. See you guys on the next one.